Excavator Max! Look, Max the Excavator is playing with a ball. Yay! Max, you are so deft. Would you like to play with me?
Hey!
This is a surprise egg. I will hide it, and you will seek. Okay? Turn around and close your eyes. Where shall we hide the egg? It is too noticeable here. On the seesaw? The egg is rolling down. Into the ball pool. Great! Max, I'm done. Open your eyes. You can seek. Cold near the slide. There is nothing here as well. Well, let's check the seesaw. No. Cold there. Max, warmer. Warmer. Keep seeking. That's it. Hooray!
Hey!
Good job. You found the egg. Now, let's have a look at what is inside. Let's open it. It is a vehicle. Let's build it. Chassis. A cabin. 3 wheels. Three wheels to the other side. And a drum. Max, do you know the name of this vehicle? A concrete mixer. Come to play with Max again. Bye-bye.